Orlando Pirates head coach Abdisalam Wadu has thrown down the gauntlet in the Betway Premiership title race, vowing his side will fight until the last second after a crucial victory over Stellenbosch. The Buccaneers edged closer to the summit with a hard-earned 2-0 win at Athlone Stadium on Tuesday night, cutting the gap to the leaders Mamelodi Sundowns to just 2 points with 3 matches remaining. First half strikes from Evidence Mahupa and Patrick Masangwanyi proved decisive in a high-intensity encounter as Pirates delivered a composed and clinical display under pressure. Speaking after the match, Wado praised his players' resilience and tactical discipline, particularly against a well-drilled Stellenbosch outfit led by veteran coach Gavin Hunt, and said, "We had the game we expected. It's never easy playing against a team coached by Gavin Hunt. We started exactly how we wanted, organized and with high intensity. We knew we had to match them in the duels and deal with the direct balls." Pirates made their mark early, capitalizing on set-piece efficiency in the first half before adjusting tactically after the break to manage the game. While Stellenbosch mounted pressure in search of a comeback, the visitors held firm. He said, "We needed more control in the second half to secure the result. We didn't fully achieve that, but it's normal. The opponent was pushing hard. In the end, it's a fantastic result." Beyond 3 points, the performance carried a deeper message. With the title race entering its decisive phase, Wado believes his squad has both the mentality and character to go the distance, and said, "I'm very proud of these players. Today we saw real warriors. This was a statement. We are still here and we will fight until the last second." The result not only strengthens Pirates' position in the standings, but also delivers a psychological boost in what is shaping up to be a dramatic finish to the season. With momentum building and belief growing, the Sosa Giants have firmly positioned themselves as genuine contenders, setting the stage for a thrilling finale in South African football top flight. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.